Hi everyone, welcome to Other Solutions. Here the question is if a is equals to 3x square minus x plus 4x square minus 1, b is equals to 5 minus 3x square plus 4x cube plus 4x, and c is equals to 4 minus 5x plus x square minus 2x cube. Find a plus b, comma b plus a. Second one, b plus c, comma c plus b. Third one, a plus b of plus c, a plus of b plus c, a plus c of plus b. And draw the conclusions from these. Let's solve the solution. Here it is given that a is equals to 3x cube minus x plus 4x square minus 1, and b is equals to 5 minus 3x square plus 4x cube plus 4x, and c is equals to 4 minus 5x plus x square minus 2x cube. Let's solve the sum a plus b. A plus b is equals to, here a polynomial is substituted and b polynomial is also substituted. Here let's add the like like terms. Here 3x cube from a and minus plus 4x cube from b are added. Here plus 4, here plus 3 and plus 4, we get plus 7x cube, and next 4x square plus 4x square from a minus 3x square from b. Here plus 4 and minus 3, which is equals to plus 1. So the result is plus x square. And here minus x from a and plus 4x from b. Here minus 1 plus 4, which results plus 3. So the result is plus 3x, and minus 1 from A and plus 5 from B. Minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. So the solution is 7x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 4. The sum a plus b is equals to 7x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 4. Similarly, let's find b plus a. Here the b polynomial is written in the first place, and then a polynomial is added to the b polynomial. Here, let's add these two polynomials. Here the highest power term is x cube. So here from b it is 4x cube, and from a it is 3x cube plus 4 plus 3, which is 7x cube plus 7x cube, and minus 3x square from b plus 4x square from a, minus 3 and plus 4, which is plus x plus 1. So it is plus x square, and plus 4x from b minus x from a, which is plus 4 minus 1, which is plus 3. So it is plus 3x, and 5 minus 1, which is 4. So b plus a results 7x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 4. From these two sums, we know that a plus b is equals to b plus a. Let's find the second one, which is b plus c. Here the b polynomial is 5 minus 3x square plus 4x cube plus 4x, and C polynomial is 4 minus 5x plus x square minus 2x cube. Now these two are added. On adding these two we get here 4x cube from B and minus 2x cube from C. Here plus 4 minus 2 which is plus 2. So the result is 2x cube plus 2x cube and minus 3x square from B plus x square from C minus 3 plus 1 which is minus 2. So it is minus 2x square and plus 4x from B minus 5x from C plus 4 minus 5 which is minus 1. So it is minus x and 5 from B, 4 plus 4 from C which is plus 5 plus 4 which is plus 9. So it is plus 9. So B plus C equals to 2x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 9. Similarly, let's find C plus B. Here B is added to C. So we are writing the C polynomial first and then B polynomial is added to C polynomial. Let's do the sum operation here. Minus 2x cube from C and plus 4x cube from B. Minus 2 and plus 4 which is plus 2. So it is 2x cube and plus x square from C minus 3x square from B plus 1 minus 3 which is minus 2. So it is minus 2x square and minus 5x from C plus 4x from B minus 5 plus 4 which is minus 1. So it is minus x plus 4 from C and plus 5 from B. So it is plus 9. So C plus B equals to 2x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 9. Both are same. So we can conclude that B plus C equals to C plus B. From these 1 and 2 sums, it is concluded that the set of polynomials has commutative property under addition. Here commutative property is nothing but a plus b equals to b plus a or b plus c equals to c plus b. Let's solve the third part of the question, which is a plus b of plus c equals to, here a and b are added first, then the sum is added to the c. So here a polynomial is added to b polynomial, which results plus 3x cube plus 4x cube which is plus 7x cube plus here plus 4x square from A and minus 3x square from B which is plus x square and minus x from A plus 4x from B which is plus 3x and minus 1 from A plus 5 from C which is plus 4. And now we are adding C to the sum. C polynomial is 4 minus 5x plus x square minus 2x cube. Now we are adding these two. We get here 7x cube from the a plus b sum and minus 2x cube from the C polynomial, which is 7 minus 2 which is 5. 5x cube. And x square from the sum plus x square from C which is plus 2x square. And plus 3x from the sum minus 5x from C which is minus 2x. And plus 4 from the sum and plus 4 from C which is plus 8. So a plus b of plus c equals to 5x cube plus 2x square minus 2x plus 8. Similarly, let's find a plus b plus c. Here a polynomial is added to the sum of b plus c polynomials. Here a polynomial is 3x square minus x plus 4x square minus 1 plus, and b plus c polynomials are added here. Here let's write the a polynomial as it is. Then the sum of the b and c polynomials is as follows. Here plus 5 from b plus 4 from c which is plus 9, and minus 3x square from b plus x square from c which is minus 2x square plus 4x cube from b minus 2x cube from c which is plus 2x cube, and plus 4x from b minus 5x from c which is minus x. So the sum of b plus c is 9 minus 2x square plus 2x cube minus x. Now we are adding this to the polynomial a. We get 3x cube from a and 2x cube from the sum. We get 3 plus 2 which is 5x cube, and minus plus 4x square from a minus 2x square from the sum which is 4 minus 2 minus plus 2x square, and minus x from the sum from a and minus x from the sum, both minus x and minus x. So we get minus 2x, and minus 1 from a plus 9 from the sum which is plus 8. So a plus of b plus c equals to 5x cube plus 2x square minus 2x plus 8. Now let's solve a plus c of plus b equals to, here now we are adding a plus c first, then b is added to the sum of the a plus c. So here a plus a and c polynomials are written plus b. So let's add a plus c. Here 3x cube from a and minus 2x cube from c which is 3 minus 2 x cube, and 4x square from a plus 4x square from a and plus x square from c which is 4 plus 1 which is 5x square, and minus x from a minus 5x from c which is minus 6x, minus 1 from a plus 4 from c which is plus 3, and we are adding b to this sum which is plus 5 minus 3x square plus 4x cube plus 4x. Here x cube from the sum and plus 4x cube from b which is 5x cube. 5x square from sum minus 3x square from b which is plus 2x square minus 6x from the sum and plus 4x from b which is minus 2x plus 3 from the sum plus 5 from b which is plus 8. So a plus c of plus b equals to 5x cube plus 2x square minus 2x plus 8. Here all the three sums are same. So we can conclude that a plus b of plus c equals to a plus of b plus c equals to a plus c of plus b, which is from this it is concluded that the set of polynomials has associative property under addition. So this is the property called associative property. Thank you. Follow for more.